Why not make 2020 the year you try something completely new? Take yourself well out your comfort zone. I mean, I know you know what you like to eat. I know you know what you like to do in terms of, exercise or hobbies. Why not try something different? Perhaps you're like me and it's all very easy to eat the same meal repeatedly. You know the way you like it, and you just stick with that. Well, why not shake things up? This year, try something new. Maybe add some new spices, some new sauces. Maybe open a cookbook, and look at a new recipe. You can use the same core ingredients, but maybe find a different way of putting them all together. The opportunity to change things up should really excite you. You can change things in a whole manner of ways. You could go and learn a new language. You could go and take up a new hobby. You could change your diet. You could even change your entire wardrobe if you so desired. But you don't have to make all these huge changes at once. You could start really, really small. For instance, why don't you just set your alarm 5 minutes earlier? That's it, that's your first change. 5 minutes earlier, it's not going to disrupt your sleep too much. And within that 5 minutes, well, you could achieve so much. For instance, you might not be very flexible. Why don't you use that 5 minutes every morning to see whether you can touch your toes? You never know, by the end of the week, you might be that bit closer. Or maybe you always say you don't have time to do ab work. Well, there you go. There's 5 minutes right there to do crunches while you watch the news on the telly. Or maybe in those 5 minutes, you could just sit back, think about the day ahead, and consider all the plans you have to make, and just have a little bit of me time and meditation. Perfect start to the day. If you are embarking on a brand new fitness regime and you need a little bit of guidance, all you need to do is subscribe to QVC's YouTube channel.